Hello and welcome to this Inkscape tutorial. I have done a tutorial before with making text perspective by putting it in shapes, but I'll just follow this up because I've just done one on a 2-point perspective diagram, and I want to contrast that with the isometric projection extension. Anyway, I'll scroll over and show you what I mean. Let's draw a guideline, drag one down. That can be our eye level, a horizontal one, and another horizontal one for the 2 points of perspective, the vanishing points. B for Bezier pen tool, and let's click and enter, and now let's click. Well, I'm not snapping to the guide there, so I'll turn on snap to guides. Click, enter, this one, click, enter, and again click, enter, click, enter to the vanishing points. Now, what's next? We're going to decide where the sides of the box stopped. So B for Bezier pen tool again. We want to snap to the path, so I'll click snap to path there. Let's go click control to constrain to vertical, click and enter. I'll try that again, click, control, drag, click and enter. And over here, click, control, drag, click to the path, enter. And actually I can stick with the Bezier pen tool, B. Let's join this one up to that vanishing point and enter. And we want an intersection there. Excuse me. I might be snapping there. Click. You can turn on snap to intersections if that helps. Click and enter. And that gives me a guide for drawing a perspective box. Now let's just, excuse me, I'm going to draw the faces individually. Let me just lighten all those up so I don't get confused. Let's shift click to change the stroke colour on a light grey. And excuse me, I always get an attack of coughing when I start to record video. Now we take the Bezier pen tool and we draw each face separately, starting from the bottom left, and we go clockwise. So for the left side, click there, and in a clockwise direction, and back to the start. Give that a fill. Now the next right face, start from the bottom left, which will be here, and clockwise until we complete the shape, which is shown as a red dot when we're over it. Click. Let's make that green. And the top, the most left corner would be there. Oops, Control Z, I wasn't going clockwise. I have to go up to here, clockwise, and close the shape, give it a fill. Okay, I'm just going to take those faces now, Control C, and over here Control V, here, so I can separate them if I want to. I'll type some text, T for text tool, type some text. I'll change it to what I think is a clearer font, make it bold. The size doesn't really matter because it'll stretch to fill the face, but let's just make it more obvious there. And I've got to convert that text to a path, object to path first. That's selected, shift click the face I want it to go on, under extensions, modify path, perspective. Let's see if that works. Should start with a G down here and expand till the F's large at this front edge in the middle. And there we go. Okay, now if you want to put another object on, you can. Text, click P, again make it sans serif and bold, and I'll just show you even with that size. Shift click, extensions, modify path, perspective. Didn't turn it into a path. object to path, shift click, extensions, modify path perspective. Okay, so yeah, that's an interesting effect. Perhaps I could click on that, make it a different colour. Okay, but you get the idea. Now if you just want to, within the borders, you can click on one of the letters and Control Shift and drag that snapping there. So I'll turn off my snapping tool and you can do that and drag it into a position. So it's maybe not a bad logo, but it could perhaps use that. Anyway, there's how to do a 2-point perspective drawing and place some text within those faces. Once again, thanks for watching. I look forward to your company in the next video. Bye for now.